Wow. So finally, your exam is scheduled on 23rd, I guess, or 24th, right? After 1 year, they are conducting our exam, so it's very good. And I hope till now you are ready with your syllabus because now the next 20 days will decide whether you will get this vacancy or not. Correct? So this video is all about your final 20 days preparing strategy, and this is for all the candidate of Apna government job. Let's start the video. Before going to main video, why these 20 days are more crucial for you? Okay, you should understand this, otherwise you will not put your everything, because I want for the next 20 days you should put your 1000% for this recruitment. Because remember what I told you, that this 80 percentage or 85%, I forget that, okay, but still that 80 to 85 percentage is in your hand. Okay, other thing like 10 or 15 to 20%, it is not your hand. Okay, it is in hand of interviewer. So whatever score you will set in this CBT, that will help you for your final selection. Obviously this is also important, but in the start only, if we set a good score, then in interview you will not face very difficulty or any other mental problem. Okay, because interview is obviously it is random for everyone, it is not fixed for everyone. Okay, so this is the thing. So yes, because of this because of this one factor, I can say your 20 days are crucial. The next thing, that as you know now, it's almost over 1 year, right? I guess not over, but yes, it's 1 year approximately. And in this 1 year, whatever total form filled at the time of notification in the last year, I guess October 2022, definitely I can say that lots of candidates now are not there in this recruitment. Okay, some got placed in somewhere, अपने बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट अलग अलग रिक्रूटमेंट में चले गए हैं. Okay, so they are placed already. Some are not interested in BEL anymore because they are focusing on ISRO, then BRC, because currently lots of vacancies are there. In your MSP you can see that lots of vacancies we are targeting. Correct? So this is the second reason, that in this 1 year now definitely whatever candidate will appear for the exam, that is low. So here is your chance that competition is less as compared to the last year. Okay, I can't say competition is less, but competition is less as compared to last year. That as compared to last year is very much important. Correct? So this is the second point which you should understand. So I guess these 2 points will enough to give you energy for preparing for this Maharatna. Correct? Okay, now definitely whatever mock test I uploaded, okay, till now I deleted that, because as per new trend I will definitely modify your mock test as per current trend whatever is going on, and then I will again give you it, right? So what is the schedule for your new mock test? You can see here, mock test 1 will get live on 9th of August, okay, at 3:30 our regular time. Mock test 2 14th of August, and mock test 3 18th of August 2023. Obviously all the 3 mock tests will be available for till your exam date. Okay, mock tests are available, full length mock tests are available for mechanical, because mechanical civil also have separate success pack. Okay, then electrical, CAC, and okay, I guess that's it. And for other also, other categories like HR, finance, if you want, there is success pack for you guys, where you will get non-technical test. Already you know, those who are connected. If you are new and first time watching this, or if you want to just refresh, then this is the thing, okay, which we have. And all the links you will get in the comment section. Okay, so after this video, you can quickly join the success pack and start your preparation. So now, currently, okay, definitely that lots of student in MSP, because at that time our MSP was not born, but after October we started our MSP. So in MSP now lots of students are there, those who are again giving BEL. That's why I am adding this in your MSP. And currently if you want to join MSP, we definitely, I will strictly recommend you guys, if you are serious to secure a job in 2024, then currently which exams we are targeting, let's see that. Okay, so if you have your BE BTech in electrical and triple E, then you can join this, right? So currently we are targeting ISRO scientist, CBT plus PI, obviously our master pack cover whole process. Okay, then BEL executive trainee by default, CBT plus PI, BARC technical officer, CBT plus PI. So these 3 recruitment currently we are targeting for electrical and triple E. So along with BEL, if you have filled the form for ISRO and BARC, then you can join that. Also IGP is there. So if you have already given IBGO exam, specifically triple E guys, then skill test and interview preparation is already included in our master success pack. Then second, for computer science, which exams we are targeting as on 1st of August 2023. So first is obviously by default BEL. Then you can see ISRO scientist, okay, then BARC technical officer, NIC all post scientist, then STA engineer, NILET STA, which is scheduled on 12th August, okay, in this month only. That this is the recruitment of 2022. Obviously 2023 also we will target, no need to worry for that. NILET means Apna government job, you know, right? Then in IGP what we have, NILET ICRT, result is pending. After result our interview guidance program, that is IGP you will get, and IBGO skill test and PI. Okay, so if suppose along with Bell any one or two or three or all form, if you fill, if those who are following Apna Government Job, they must fill all the form, then definitely MSP in single fee you can target this recruitment, and you can see here salary of each and everything. Correct? So these are the recruitment we are targeting as on 1st of August. Okay, now we will start our serious discussion about your next 20 days. So see, from BHEL, that is BHEL, which is Maharatna PSU, we have three big challenges in front of us. Okay, the first challenge I can say is syllabus of technical part, because you know the syllabus is not specific. Okay, it is not like our general 10 subject. Your syllabus of technical is your whole engineering. So this is the first challenge. Correct? The second one is the different challenge, and I can say tough challenge. That is 240 questions. 240. Just imagine in 150 minutes. Okay. So this is the one and only PSU we have which provide this pattern, like 240 questions in 150 minutes. Just forget about this 150 minutes. But to solve 240 question in a single seat, you think it is easier, right? Obviously not. Correct? So this is the second big challenge, and as per me, I can say this is the first one only, because obviously syllabus of tech is manageable, but how to deal with it? Definitely solutions I will provide, no need to worry for that. But again, first important thing is we should understand the problem, right? Then we will move to solution part. So this is the second challenge we have. And the third and most important, that is negative marking. So see, now your BEL exam, we have 240 questions. That also we need to solve in only 150 minutes. And that also we have negative marking, right? So definitely you may feel that, yeah, we are giving exam of Maharatna. Actually, the status is Maharatna, na? So the feeling is same, because exam pattern is also Maha. Correct? So अभी कैसे करना है? ये तीन प्रॉब्लम अपने पास है. Okay, these three problems are in front of us. So let's come to now solution part. So see, first you can see syllabus of tech. So now what we are do, basically see, it is all about your strategy and your mindset. Okay, if you want to secure a job, then your strategy should get perfect and your mindset should be ready. Obviously these two important things are there, along with other things are also there, but still these are the two major important things. Okay, and you know that consistently I am giving selection in all the PSUs and central government. You know, every day you just I hope watch the banner in community, right? And that's so main thing is why I'm telling you this, because you should follow this thing which already followed by someone who is successful and who is working somewhere in PSU and central government. Correct? So see how we will do now. All the MSP and all the student, what we will do. So syllabus of technical. So whatever syllabus I shared with you guys 1 year ago in our strategy, that will remain same. Okay? That you will by default do, and or in summary, I hope that you the 10th subject, I can say standard 10 subject. Correct? The standard 10 subject. 8 to 9, 10, whatever. So I hope that now in this 1 year, because whole 365 days you got, okay, and to complete this 10 standard subject, it's sufficient time. There is no problem in that, I feel, and I know, right? But now what we will do, along with this 10 standard subject, okay, we will add few miscellaneous subject also, from which the questions are possible. Okay, now you will say me, sir, from where I will get idea that from which subject they can ask the question, because ठीक है, we will manage standard subject, 10 subject तो manage कर लेंगे, आपने बताया वो, लेकिन ये जो है ये किधर से अपने को समझेगा? Okay, from where we will get idea? So definitely that idea you will get from our mock test and block test. ठीक है? Now basically individually branch wise also I will discuss, but general idea I will give you. So whatever questions will be there in your mock test, okay, from miscellaneous specifically, because see, whole public, lots of crowd is there. Suppose 1000 people are there, they will attempt, okay, out of this 800 people will attempt this 10 standard subject, but they will fail here in miscellaneous. Okay, the remaining 200 will attempt this also and this also. So for our first target is to come in this top 200. For example, I took 1000. Okay, for example, do not take it seriously. Correct? So I hope you got our idea, first strategy, that what we will do, our standard 10 subject you will revise, you will do as per yourself. But this miscellaneous you will do from MT, BT, and one more important thing, that is your ebook. Okay. Now after this video, a separate video I will upload in your whole success pack and master success pack. Okay. So that video you will refer. This is the first video and that is the second video. Definitely this video also I will arrange in your success pack and master success pack. No need to worry for that. But I hope now that you understand that how we will tackle the first challenge. Correct? Let's move to second. Now see, basically you are giving this first exam and I can say last exam which have such exam pattern, because generally we have 120 questions, maximum 150 questions. Okay, but here now we can say 240. HPCL also have 175, but here you can see that 240 questions we have. Okay, so here there is nothing, there is no trick as I show you earlier. Okay, there is only one thing that you will do, and that is mock test. Okay, you will sit for 150 minutes continuously to give 240 questions. Now why for this specific exam mock tests are super important? Because if I am sure, see, I am giving you guarantee, if without mock test you will go to the exam, you will surely score less mark. If you know anything, everything also, same result you will get. Okay, because the thing is that you need to train your mind to solve 240 questions in a single seat. Because I guess when we prepare, okay, we in a whole day also we don't solve 240 questions. Just be practical. I guess 1% people will be there that they solve more than 200 questions. Correct? In a whole day I'm talking about. But here in 150 minutes only you need to solve. So lots of brain power will get engaged in this activity, and for that training is most important. That's why I told that if you are going directly, you will say no need for mock test. I will just go there, sit there, and I will come back to the home. You will definitely fail. I am giving you guarantee after giving selections. Just listen it carefully. Okay. So that's why the importance of mock test increase for this recruitment for this Maharatna. So whatever mock test you are getting, the 3 mock tests, definitely for other recruitment also you give seriously. But for this recruitment, you should be super serious. That is for next 150 minutes. Okay, you should turn off everything and just focus on mock test. And when you will give first mock test, then you will feel little tiredness. Just observe this. It will happen definitely if you prepare seriously. I am talking. Okay, obviously now I am assuming that after 1 year, if you are watching my video, then you are serious for BEL. That's why you are watching. Otherwise, you could go to any other thing, right? But now if you are watching, then I know you are serious and you want this Maharatna. Correct? So the second challenge, I hope you got the solution that mock test is the only solution we have. Okay, just give it. That's it. Right? And the third, that is negative marking. So the separate strategy will be there in your success pack and master pack, that how you can tackle this negative marking. There is no such trick I will share obviously, but we have different strategy through which we can minimize the negative marking. Okay, so there is nothing like you can avoid negative marking. There is nothing. Negative marking will be definitely will get. Okay, you prepare at whatever level, negative marking surely will be there. Correct? But yes, we will have different things, so I will share in your MSP and success pack. Okay, so these are the 3 challenges, and I hope now you have the solution with this. So I hope you are also making notes of it. So those who will understand and those who will train for these 3 challenges, they will surely score good mark in BEL recruitment. Okay, and definitely that marks will help you in interview also. Okay, so now we will start our final 20 days plan. So see, first I will discuss for non-technical, which is common for all the branches. First non-tech का discuss कर लेते हैं, ठीक है, quickly. तो non-tech में अपने पास क्या है अभी BEL के लिए? What we have? Reasoning, then we have general awareness, and we have English. Okay, reasoning के 50 questions we have, English we have 50 questions, and I guess GK or GA 20 questions. Correct? So see, the level of reasoning will be easy. No problem in that. आराम से कर सकते हो, ठीक है. You can just do it easily, quickly. There is no problem. So this out of 50, I can assure you that if you prepare seriously, then you can attempt. Same for English. There is no problem. Okay. Now the problem you will face in general awareness and GK. So see, obviously now, if you are following for the past 1 year our daily Telegram PDF also, then in GA and GK, no one can beat you. Okay, I'm again repeating my statement that if for a past 1 year, just forget 1 year, if for at least 4 to 5 months also, if you are following daily Telegram PDF, then now this section I can say you can handle. But if you are someone that who skip GA, GK, don't touch it for the 1 year, and now you woke up and you will say, sir, how to score maximum marks here? I am sorry, my friend, you can't do this in this 20 days. Okay, because for this section to get good score, at least minimum 3 to 6 months are required. And if you waste your 1 year, then obviously you can't do anything in 20 days. That's for sure. Correct? So now this section strategy I will share for those only who seriously follow the Telegram PDF, who seriously follow everything, whatever I give you in your success pack also, MSP also. Okay? So what you can do now? So see, of your general studies part, that is history, polity, economics, you know already, right? Geography, etc. So that again you will revise from the book, whatever you completed so far. Okay? In mock test, definitely our question will be there. And block test also, I will add the questions. Okay? So in block test also I will add, and that is the only thing you will do. And continue our Telegram PDF. Okay? Do not skip it. Continue till your exam for general studies. Daily you are getting the Telegram PDF. So just you can solve that. Correct? Next thing, that about current affairs and static GK. So for static GK, nothing is required because you know that our daily table PDF on Telegram you are getting. That you will refer first PDF. Second, you are getting daily mixed MCQs. That second PDF you will refer. Okay. So for static GK, no problem. Just if you are referring this two PDF, also no problem. If you are someone, those who want to join and you want to start now, what you can do, just join Telegram channel. Okay. Go to the file section and you can download all the PDF of last at least 3 months. Start with 3 months and try to complete those PDF. If you complete, then move 1 month back. Okay. That is total 4 months. So like this you can complete. Okay. And the last thing, that is current affair. So for current affair, basically whatever questions I will add in your mock test, you can by default do that. Second, daily Telegram PDF of current affair you are getting, you can by default do that. Okay. And the third also, we are getting a mixed question of current affair. Okay, that we will do. And for the strategy I will share with you guys, that what I am adding and everything. Okay. But for now, the main focus will be your mock test. Okay. Block test will be there for MSP student and current affair will be there. Daily Telegram PDF, you will use it. Correct? Okay. So yes, like this you can do, and in non-technical there is no problem for this 120 questions. Easily you can handle this. Okay, and target above 100 here. If not possible, then above at least 90 in this 120. Okay, if your GK part is weak. Okay. Now I will start branch-wise strategy. Okay, so you can see below timestamp. So just click on your own respective branch timestamp and you can watch this. Before that, quick reminder, like the video and also share. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe to our channel, because this is the most authentic channel on whole YouTube you may ever find. Okay, now first I will discuss for electrical and computer science. Okay, because for you guys we have MSP. So now basically our block wise strategy already you started. Okay, block 1 is started, block 2 is going on. So I hope you are following our block wise strategy. Yes. Then whatever subjects are there in ebook. Now see, here basically in ebook we have those standard 10 subject. Correct? By default we have. What are other subject? I will tell you what other subject question you can ask and the priority. That is important. I told na, after this also one video will be there. In that I will tell. So you can do that from only ebook. No need to touch anything. Okay, whatever key points, whatever formulas are there in ebook, just go with that. Right? Along with that, you will combine our block test here. See, basically in blockwise strategy, more I will focus on this standard 10 subject. Okay, and when I will feel that okay, it's fine now, you can handle this, then I will move to miscellaneous subject. Okay, basically I hope you got the idea that your whole 120 we are dividing into two parts. One is your standard 10 or 8, 9, whatever, you know what is standard subject, right? This is the first part, part A, and part B is miscellaneous, means among other than this 10 subject, the subjects you studied in your engineering, that also they can ask. Okay, definitely weightage of this is high, this is low, but for merit, or I can say to score high marks, this is also important, which will be neglected by other candidate for sure, right? So I hope you understand this thing. And the next thing, obviously mock test, which acts as a question bank. So that question by default you will do, and here for Bell 120 into 3 means total 360 questions you will get. I can say more than 300 plus concepts you will get, and that is enough. Okay, for both electrical and computer science. Correct? If you didn't join MSP yet, you can join MSP. There is no problem. Now, those who are our success pack student, those who, because last time MSP was not there, you know, right? MSP born after our bail recruitment. So what you can do, you can just message to the team, because our blockwise strategy was not there that time. Okay, you need to pay little extra fee for that. Otherwise, what you can do directly, you can buy MSP, because if you join MSP, then definitely you will get lots of things here. Okay, so these two options you have with yourself. So yes, I guess all things are sorted now for SP also, for MSP also. Correct? Okay, if you are having query, like suppose a frequently asked question, I will take one, that other than blockwise and mock test, anything is required? No, whatever is there, it is super sufficient. Just follow that blindly. Okay, follow the blocks, follow the target, and revision, most important. Focus on revision, because through block also you will get lots of concept, through mock test obviously you will get few concept, right? So by combining these two, you will get a deadly result, right? So I hope that whatever query you have now so far, that how to handle this 120, I hope I resolved it. Now those students, now suppose if you are a student, those who didn't focus on this bail recruitment for 1 year, you are just woke up now and you will say, sir, my 10 standard subjects are also pending. So in that case, your first priority is to complete the part A, that is 10 standard subject. Okay, and then you can think of part B, because what I told you earlier, that this part have high weightage. Okay, and if you directly focus on part B, which already having low weightage, then definitely it will be difficult for you. Okay, so for you guys, I will recommend that first complete your standard 8, 9, 10 subject as per your branch, whatever subject you have, you can complete that, and then you can move to part B. Okay, So this is the strategy for electrical computer science. I hope you note down the mock test schedule. I hope you note down the technical part, how you can prepare for reasoning. Just start your preparation from today. We have 20 days. It is enough if you prepare for 1 year. See, basically the one thing, always remember that whatever you did, okay, in that 1 year does not matter now. But how you will handle this 20 days, it will decide whether you will get selection or not. I am talking about selection. Why? Because your CBT have more weightage. Almost I guess 80 to 85%. For BEL I guess it was 80%. I forget. I will check later. Okay. But main thing is that CBT have high weightage. So give it your all. And also now competition is less. People are diverted. People are distracted. And if you are singly focused on BEL recruitment, if you are watching this video, then definitely this recruitment is for you. Okay. Your chances to get selection is maximum as compared to other India candidate. Those who are distracted to different recruitments. Correct? So if you have anything, definitely you can message me anytime, no problem in that. Okay, so start your preparation, and after that you will watch the second video. Okay, after 2-3 hours I will upload the second video also. Bye, all the best. Okay, now this is for mechanical and civil, because for you guys also I launched success pack for BEL recruitment. So see, now again your whole 120 questions are divided into two parts. Okay, part A and part B. In part A basically we have standard 10 subjects, okay, whose weightage is greater as compared to part B. And here we have miscellaneous subject, means other than those standard subject which you studied in your engineering. Correct? Now your first priority is to get this thing, that is just complete this subject, standard subject, right? And after that you can move to part B. Don't directly jump into the part B because part is important. Correct? Now you will say that, see, after this video, one video I will upload in your success pack and master pack, that which are the other miscellaneous subject you can study in which priority. That is the important question, right? So that I will handle in that video. And now what you can do, that okay, whatever notes you refer, your notes and other anything, whatever you refer so far for this standard subject, you can revise from that, and also you will combine that notes with our ebook. Okay, so whatever subjects are there in ebook, that you will use, and other subject of ebook I will tell you that which subject you can do for miscellaneous part, so that you will get good score as compared to other candidate. Okay, then whatever questions I will add in your mock test, that also by default you will do, and the combination of these two is enough for you guys. Now for you guys, block-wise strategy is not there, so I will recommend you to solve PYQ, okay, of GATE 1 mark, only GATE 1 mark, previous year, at least last 15 years of all subject, okay, and then I will recommend that SSC JEE PYQ of last 10 year. Okay, again I am repeating that for mechanical civil we don't have block-wise strategy, so in that case what you will do, GATE 1 mark question only you will practice of PYQ 15 years, and SSC JEE PYQ last 10 year you will practice, and along with this two you will combine our ebook and mock test which you are getting in your success pack. Okay, and that's it, it's enough, right? So now I hope you understand that how you can tackle these 120 questions correctly, right? So just start your preparation, and if you have anything then you can message below. If you want to join MSP or SP, then all the links are given in the comment section. Okay.